hate what is bad. We may well stay far away from practices that God hates. Yet, there are other activities or aspects of life about which the Scriptures provide no specific command. In such areas, how can we determine what is acceptable and pleasing to God? That is where our Bible-trained conscience comes into play. Jehovah has lovingly given us principles that work in conjunction with our Bible-trained conscience. He himself says, "I, Jehovah, am your God, the one teaching you to benefit yourself, the one guiding you in the way you should walk." Isaiah 48:17 and 18. By using our mind and heart to reason on Bible principles, we correct, direct, and mold our conscience. That in turn helps us to make wise decisions. A principle is a fundamental truth or doctrine that is used as a basis of reasoning or action. To understand a principle includes understanding the thinking of the lawgiver and the reasons why he gave certain laws.